welcome back to another video. So today's video is a collab I'm doing with Just Jo Nail Addict on our HCS nail art calendar. So today we're going to be using, we've got to use products from the last, I think the last one we did was the 14th, so anything from the 14th up until today. I'll quickly show you what I've pulled out from the calendar. I think I'm going to use this. I think this is just called Multi-Mix, and it's got tiny hexes, it's got stars, dots, it's even got hearts in there. I think I'm going to use some of the stars out of that, I think. I'm going to give these nails a quick base coat. Right, I'm just going to use my Model 1's black. I'm going to give these all a coat of black. I've took my nails off. I think I'm going to do a New Year's Eve set on my own nails. So yeah, get all these a coat of black. Right, that's them out of the lamp. I've left the tacky layer on this gel polish because I want to do some stamping. I want to stamp this clock. I'm going to be painting the middle of it, but I'm going to use the clock just so I can get a perfect circle. I want to stamp that on the middle. I think I'm just going to do half a clock. I don't know, we'll see. And I want to stamp some of these fireworks here and wine glasses here. So I'm going to get my stamping stuff out. I think I'm going to stamp the clock first. I've got it here ready. I'm just going to use this little silver stamping polish, and I'm using my Beauty Big Bang stamper. So yeah, I think we'll start with the clock. Right, let's do it this way. I'm sorry if it blinds you. I'm trying to get it to where you can see it. There. Right, I don't know if I want just half a clock or full clock. Shall we do full clock? No, I'm just going to do half a clock. I don't think I can fit it on. We'll do half a clock. Yeah, we'll do half a clock. And we'll do it there. Right. See, I don't want the numbers because these numbers say 10 past 10. And obviously we want it to say 1 minute to midnight. So we will colour that in. I think I'm going to take this little bit off the top as well. And we'll colour it in. Right, we'll do that first, shall we? Right, I'm just going to use a little bit of alcohol on this cotton stick just to get the top of this off. I don't want this top bit. I just want the clock. I should have used a brush really, but I've done it now. And then I think I'm going to paint the actual face of the clock in white. And then we'll paint the numbers on in black. Right, I'm going to use this white paint gel, and I'm just going to colour the face of the clock in white. I'm sorry if you hear any shouting in the background. My partner and his football friends are screaming and shouting because the football's on, so I do apologise. Right, I'm going to get that cured in the lamp and I'm going to give it a second coat. Right, that's that clock had 2 coats. what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go around the edges with this silver from Model 1s. I'm just going to put a little bit on my palette. I'm just going to go around the edges of it with, just let me lock this. Just going to go around the edges with this silver. Right, I'm just going to get that cured in the lamp. Right, what I'm going to do now with this clock is, it's kind of a bit more than a half a clock. I'm just going to use my dotting tool and just do some little dots for, like, number 12, number 6, and number 3. And then we're just going to do the hands. We want them to kind of say midnight, or maybe just a minute before midnight. So like, that would be the small hand. And then the bigger hand will do it just a couple of minutes to 12. Like that. Like that. Right, I'm going to get that cured in the lamp, 30 seconds. Right, now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do some of these fireworks. I'll probably just speed this part up. Just going to put a couple of fireworks in the corner of here, the corner of here. Some on the corner of there. And one of these two. Not sure which yet. Right guys, that's all my stamping done. What I'm going to do on this finger, I'm going to write 2021, and I'm going to put some of these silver stars from the HCS multi-mix, and I'm going to put them on these big stars, one there, one there, one there, and one there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get these top coated so I can get it sealed in, and then we'll do that. them cured in the lamp, and like I said, I will top coat these, give them a file and a buff, and then I'll be back to top coat them and finish them off. I love these little wine glasses, they're cute. Right guys, that's them all been filed and buffed, so we just need to get them top coated and finished off now. So that's my New Year's set done. I think I'm going to do another New Year's set, but I'm going to do them on my own hands. So let's just get these top coated and finished, and then we can see what they look like. Should I bring you in a little tiny bit? I think them little wine glasses are so cute, aren't they? They are super cute. And my clock that says 5 to midnight. This month has gone so fast. It's going to be 5 to midnight, New Year's Eve, before we know it. This month has gone so fast. Right, I'm going to stick them into cure for 30 seconds and that'll be then finished. Right guys, there we go. That's my set done. What do you think? I love the hollow on them stars. I really like them, and the little wine glasses, I think they're super cute. Remember as well guys, this is a collab I'm doing with Just Jo Nail Addict, so go over and see what products she used out the calendar and what set she come up with. But anyway, that is mine. I probably said this morning guys, but I hope you all have an amazing Christmas day tomorrow, I really do. And thank you all so much for coming back every day this month, watching me opening my calendars. The support has just been crazy. The amount of you amazing ladies that have been coming back every day, leaving absolutely beautiful comments. Yeah, it's been unreal. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. Getting emotional. But yeah, I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day today, and an even better day tomorrow. Have fun. I love you all to bits. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you after Christmas. Take care everybody. Bye.